What's going on, guys? It's Nano back again with another video. Welcome. Today we're going to be talking about the MacBook Pro M1 Pro 14-inch. So, I know I'm not your guys' go-to video reviewer yet, but listen, I just want to do a quick unboxing, talk to you guys about how excited I am about this laptop, especially for you content creators out there, you small YouTube channel people like myself, you photographers, videographers of any kind, even some gamers, anything productivity-wise. This is a big deal because this M1 Pro chip, and there is the M1 Max, is a big deal. It powers so much. It enables content creators. And I just want to go ahead and share that excitement with you guys. So we're going to unbox this. We're going to talk about it, what I plan to do with it. It's going to be a pretty quick video. And then you guys are going to let me know in the comment section below if there's anything in particular that you guys want me to focus on. Usually I focus on battery life, usability, likes, dislikes, things that stand out to me. I'll make those kind of videos for you guys. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, please consider doing so. Please help me hit that 4,000 subscriber mark. We are so close, and each and every one of you will help me do so. All right, so with that being said, let's go ahead and check this bad boy out. All right, off the bat, this definitely feels chunky, substantial. I already knew that going in. This was obviously going to be a heavier laptop, and this is not the 16-inch. I believe this is 3.5 pounds. So I'm currently using an M1 MacBook Air. I have used an M1 MacBook Pro, and I have a M1 Mac Mini right behind me that I was using for editing this video and all kinds of videos. So this definitely feels thick to me. All right, this is definitely a thick boy. So let's move that here. Let's look at what we have inside, right? So we have a braided, super cool, braided MagSafe to USB-C charger here. I'll let you guys take a look there. Everybody's been raving online about the stickers because I believe we have black stickers this time. There's your stickers. It's actually kind of cool that they're giving us black stickers or whatever. But there they are. And then that's really it. There's nothing else inside of that. So there you have it. And then of course you have the charging brick, right? So same kind of concept as we've had before. USB-C there, prongs there, but smaller and substantially smaller than your M1 Max 16-inch Pro for the MacBook Pro. Let's put that away. And then let's see, every time I pick this up, it feels thick. So let's open that. Fingerprint magnet. By the way, this is the space gray base model, $1,999 US. Definitely feels thick. Those are your ports. They're on the side, right? MagSafe, USB-C, USB-C, and microphone, or aux cable port right there. Thunderbolt on the USB-Cs, and then you've got HDMI, and you've got USB-C and SD card slot right then and there. Let's take a look again from this side. There you have it. And that just kind of gives you maybe a better angle of the thickness. HDMI, USB-C, SD card. Other side. MagSafe, more USB-Cs, aux port, back, says MacBook Pro in the bottom, and the front. And this thing is thick. It's almost like they took the design language of like the iPad Air because of the rounded edges and older MacBook Pros and kind of put them together. So let's go ahead and flip this bad boy open. Just sounds good. Looks clean. Big trackpad. Touch ID. Black keys. That space gray. Black on black just looks good. And of course you've got the notch up top, which to be quite honest, guys, I don't care. I don't mind it. I think that that's just them setting us up for future Face ID on MacBooks. MacBook Pros for sure. Obviously, why else would they do the notch, right? You don't have to have a notch for a basic cheap webcam, which they've given us in the past. So with that being said, let me know in the comment section below, like I said before, if there's anything in particular that you guys want me to focus on. I'm going to go ahead and set this up, probably edit this video on this MacBook Pro, and stay tuned for a lot more videos on this and other reviews as well. Like always, it was Nando. Peace, salute, and adios. And please do not forget to stay geeky. I'll see you in the next video.